In this video, we explain how to use the Wealthy Store. The first step is to select the Wealthy Store from the Wealthy dashboard. Here, you can see that the Wealthy Store is broken up into mutual funds, pre-IPOs, and insurances. For the purpose of this video, we'll be working with mutual funds. Here, you can see that you can either top up or set up SIPs in the client's existing goals, or we could start a new portfolio. Here we're going to start a new portfolio so that you can understand the basics. Our portfolios range from tax savers to micro SIPs. Here we're going to select the tax saver and go with the tax saver 2022 plan. The funds that are going to be allocated here are shown as below. After which you can select the continue button on the top right corner of your screen. To create the proposal, you will first have to select the client. After selecting the client, you may press the continue button and then choose the investment type for the client, whether it's a one-time or an SIP. Here we're going to go with an SIP. You then have to select the amount of money you would like to. After selecting that, you may choose the number of days you want the intervals to be provided in. And then you can choose the check mandate status. If your bank mandate has been registered, your SIP will start immediately. You may then choose to proceed. After checking the product details, you can go ahead and create the proposal. The proposal will be created and you will be provided with a link that you can share with your client. All you have to do is press the click to copy button and it should be saved. Now that you've finished creating a proposal, in case you want to check or keep a track of the status of the proposal, you can go to the Proposals tab in the dashboard. Here, you will be shown the SIP that we have just created for our client. This will be marked under Progress. And once it has been completed, you can also see it in the Completed tab.